Welcome to today's recipe. We're making a vibrant and flavorful chimichurri sauce, perfect for grilling season or just adding a fresh kick to any dish. This tangy herb-packed sauce is a staple in Argentine cuisine, and it's incredibly easy to make. So, grab your ingredients and let's get started. Alright, let's start by making our delicious chimichurri sauce. You'll need 1 cup of fresh parsley, packed, and a 1/4 cup of fresh oregano leaves. If you don't have fresh oregano, you can use about 2 tablespoons of dried oregano. Mince 4 cloves of garlic and finely chop 1 small red onion. For a little kick, add 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, but feel free to adjust this to your taste. Next, we'll need 1/2 cup of red wine vinegar and 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Season it with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. And for an extra pop of freshness, squeeze in 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, though this is optional. That's it. Simple but packed with flavor. Let's begin by prepping the fresh herbs. First, take 1 cup of fresh parsley. Remove the thick stems and make sure you're using just the leaves. We'll chop the parsley roughly. You don't need to go too fine, but aim for small pieces that'll easily blend into the sauce. Next, we have the oregano. If you're using fresh oregano, grab about a 1/4 cup of leaves. You'll want to remove the leaves from the stems and finely chop them. If you're using dried oregano, that's perfectly fine too, just use about 2 tablespoons. Now set the herbs aside, and we'll move on to the garlic. Now we'll prepare the garlic and onion. Take 4 cloves of garlic, peel them, and mince them as finely as you can. You can use a garlic press if you have one, or just chop with a knife. The finer you mince the garlic, the more flavor it'll release into the chimichurri. Next, grab a small red onion. Cut it in half and peel the skin off. Then finely chop the onion. You don't want big chunks here, just small pieces to blend into the sauce. The garlic and onion will add depth to the chimichurri, balancing out the freshness of the herbs. Once you've minced the garlic and chopped the onion, we're ready to mix everything together. Now that our herbs, garlic, and onion are ready, let's bring everything together. Grab a medium-sized mixing bowl. Add the parsley and oregano into the bowl, followed by the minced garlic and chopped onion. Then sprinkle in 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. This will give the chimichurri a nice heat, but feel free to adjust this to your taste. If you prefer a milder sauce, you can reduce or omit the pepper flakes altogether. Give everything a quick stir to combine. The freshness of the parsley, the sharpness of the onion, and the kick from the garlic and red pepper will make a flavorful base for the sauce. Let's move on to the liquids. Now, take 1/2 cup of red wine vinegar and pour it into the bowl with the herbs, garlic, and onion. Red wine vinegar adds a tangy acidity that's key to chimichurri's flavor profile. Next, add 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil. The olive oil will mellow out the acidity from the vinegar and give the sauce its rich, smooth texture. Stir everything together thoroughly. You want to make sure the herbs are all coated and the olive oil and vinegar are well mixed. At this point, you'll start to see the chimichurri taking shape. Now, it's time to season the chimichurri. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to bring out all the flavors. Then add 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Taste as you go. You want the sauce to be well seasoned, but you can always add more later if needed. For an extra touch of brightness, squeeze in 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. The lemon juice adds a zesty freshness that complements the herbs and vinegar beautifully. If you're not a fan of lemon, it's optional, but it really lifts the sauce. Stir everything well to combine and taste it. Adjust the salt, pepper, or lemon juice if needed. Now that our chimichurri is mixed, it's important to let it rest for a bit. The flavors really need time to meld together, so let the sauce sit at room temperature for at least 15 minutes. This will allow the garlic to infuse the oil and vinegar, and the herbs will release even more of their natural oils. If you can, let it sit for an hour or even make it the day before you need it. The longer it sits, the more flavorful it becomes. But don't refrigerate it. Room temperature is best so the olive oil doesn't harden. After letting the chimichurri rest, it's time to serve. Give it a final stir to make sure everything's well mixed. You can serve this delicious sauce over grilled steaks, chicken, or vegetables. It's perfect for any dish that needs a punch of flavor. If you have leftovers, Store the chimichurri in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 days. If you refrigerate it, just let it come to room temperature before serving, so the oil isn't too solid. And there you have it, your homemade chimichurri is ready to enjoy. Lastly, let's go over a few tips to make sure your chimichurri turns out perfect. First, always use fresh herbs when possible. Fresh parsley and oregano really elevate the flavor, but if you have to use dried oregano, just be sure to reduce the amount since dried herbs are more potent. When it comes to seasoning, start with the recommended amounts of salt, pepper, and red pepper flakes, but always taste as you go. You might want more heat or perhaps a little extra salt to bring out all the flavors. Feel free to adjust those to suit your preference. Next, the consistency of chimichurri is important. You want it to be a bit loose, like a vinaigrette. If it feels too thick, just add a bit more olive oil or vinegar to loosen it up. And on the flip side, if it's too runny, you can add a bit more chopped herbs to thicken it. Remember that chimichurri is best served at room temperature, so take it out of the fridge before serving to let the oil return to its smooth consistency. Lastly, you can experiment with adding a touch of smoked paprika, cilantro instead of parsley, or even a small amount of honey for a sweeter chimichurri. Now, enjoy your homemade chimichurri sauce.